Ever since Hyperlight Drifter came out, one of the most conspicuously missing features has been a boss rush mode, to let the players replay fights without restarting the entire story mode. In a survey I did of the game's player base, it even came in as the number 4 way to improve the game. For reasons unknown, the developers, Heart Machine, have yet to add the mode in their frequent patches. However, yesterday a speedrunner named CVivian shared a mod they had created which allows anyone to patch the game and enjoy a boss rush mode. To download the files, you need to go to speedrun.com/HLD and click Resources in the left hand menu. You will need 2 separate downloads from here, the boss rush patch, which is hosted on Google Drive, so click through the warnings to confirm, and the patcher itself. When these are finished downloading, we can start the process of patching the game. Before touching any game files, I always recommend to back up your saves. These can be found in the appdata/local/Hyperlight Drifter folder in your user folder. If you can't find the app data folder, just manually type the address in the search bar. Copy everything in here to a safe location. Although this patch doesn't touch your saves, you shouldn't be able to mess them up. It might pay to be careful. Next, you need to find where the game is installed. If you brought the game through Steam, it will be in your Steam library, then Steam Apps/Common/Hyperlight Drifter. I will be using the GOG version, and I've just put it on the desktop for convenience. The author states that the mod works best with the 6.01 patch, but it also works with 2.6.08, which is what I'm using here. Extract both the downloaded files to your desktop. You can do this using WinRAR or 7-zip. You can see that the mod folder has many modified files, and the patcher has a data folder and a single program. Open the patcher and browse for the folder you just extracted the mod to. In the second box, browse to the install directory of the game. Using the third box, tell the patcher where you want the patched game to go. Click Apply Patch to start the process. It may pop a warning saying you have missing files, but it didn't seem to have any negative effect on the version I tried, so just click OK and leave it to work. On the 3 times I tried it, the patcher alternated between finishing in seconds and taking about 10 minutes, so leave it as long as it needs, and do not close the program until it's finished. When the patching is complete, the program will show the word Done, and you can safely close it. Open the folder where you sent the patched game and look for hyperlightdrifter.exe. If it isn't there, repeat the patching process. The boss rush game will open and show a personalised start screen to let you know everything worked. Note how the menu text has changed from New Game to New Rush. Start a new rush and don't touch your previous saves. As long as you don't use them in this modified game, they will work perfectly in the original version, which you can still use in the normal way. In the boss rush version, rooms are connected differently, with the intro area leading straight into the Drifter's house and giving you all available weaponry and health packs you'll need for the boss fights. Leave after picking everything up and you'll be transported to the Dash Arena and given enough chips to purchase a single upgrade. If you're interested in speedrunning, leaving this area is where the timer starts, as stepping through the door brings you straight to Hierophant, the first boss. You can now play boss rush mode, as defeating each boss leads straight into the boss room of the next. At the time of this recording, the current leader is Oxbloxrox, with 7 minutes and 27 seconds. I've made a couple of Steam grids for the boss rush mode, so you can add the program to your library and launch it just like the original game. They can be downloaded from the show website, and the link is in the description. I'll also host there some backups of everything else you need to do this patch, just in case the original download links go down. If you love this game as much as I do, and you're not yet fed up with my voice, you can check out my in-depth episode on Hyperlight Drifter, where I analyse its lore and backstory in detail. Thanks for watching.